Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'd like to show you how I prepare so it's spam easy meal dinner idea. You're gonna need a teaspoon of pimento seed, 2 small tomatoes, a stack of scallion, a spring of thyme, small or medium sized onion, 4 garlic cloves, and a piece of ginger. Option. Make sure you prep and clean everything. 1 scotch bonnet pepper, or a teaspoon of sea salt, teaspoon to a tablespoon of dried basil, teaspoon to a tablespoon of dried parsley, teaspoon of dried marjoram, and half a teaspoon of rosemary, 1/4 teaspoon of pimento berries, and ketchup, 1/4 cup of water, coconut oil for frying. Marjoram and the rosemary is optional. You can just use dried basil and dried parsley. Visit JamaicaDinners.com for the recipe. Better. Let's clean this out. Spam. I like spam. Alright, I like to prepare this 3 ways. You can cube it, cut it in cubes, like cut, and then cube it. Or you can slice them like patties, or you can mince it, almost like corned beef or bully beef. But today I'm gonna slice about 1/4 inch. Like that. Put your stove's gauge on 8, which is medium high. Once it's dry, let's add oil. Half of 1/4 cup of oil. Piece of ginger. Just allow this to get hot. Just allow it. After a minute or so, just allow it to stay on one side. The stove's gauge on medium high. That's 2 minutes. That was 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, flip it the best way possible. And stove down a little. After a minute, add the onions. Scallion. Let's put it where to get fried. It's all happening in front of your eyes as it is in front of mine. We'll add a garlic clove. As the stove is on, when you saw me add the seasoning, the stove is on 4, medium low. Add the garlic after a minute. After a minute I add in there. What I'm doing, I'm sauteing the onions because I like my onions sauteed. Now once the onions are sauteed, you just turn the stove on very low. One, to slow down the cooking. Add the pepper. I'm not gonna add any white vinegar because I'm gonna use ketchup, and plenty white vinegar is in ketchup. To slow down the cooking, one. I'm gonna add this to slow it down too as well. Add the herbs. This is a teaspoon. Quarter teaspoon of dried berries, pimento berries. Marjoram, like half a teaspoon. And a quarter teaspoon to half a teaspoon of rosemary, dried and grated fine. This is marjoram, teaspoon of marjoram, tablespoon of dried basil. All the salt. I don't know if this thing is too salty now, so I'm just gonna add a quarter teaspoon to half a teaspoon. You can add more salt in the end. Plus this salt. Just cover it. That water now, half a cup ish. That was half a cup. It's shy. It's less than half a cup. This much leave. That was 2 minutes ago. Just turn the stove down on low now. You don't want the water dry out too much. Add add ketchup. Half of quarter cup. I'm just gonna allow it to simmer for about a minute or two. The stove is on low. You just want the gravy thicken, and then we'll finish. Like that. Once it starts to stick, alright, finish. So that was like 4 minutes. Just cover it and allow it to soak before serving. This was 12 ounces, equivalent 340 grams. Take some of this good vegetable now and just spam easy meal dinner idea. Alrighty. Oh my God. Oh, forgive me. This used to be a meal of mine at one point in my life when I was young. This is awesome. This is salty though, so I'm happy I didn't use plenty of salt. This meal is a once in every 5 years. Well, it worked to buy because this was expensive. I could have buy 3 pound of pork this and a pork in it. I could have bought 3 pound of pork for the price that I paid for that big stuff, for the price that I paid for this in Jamaica. It was $800, nearly $900 plus tax. So probably this little can that you saw earlier cost me nearly $1,000. Some people in this country, you have a lot of foreigners in Jamaica, that when they buy these stuff, it's no big deal because I guess they're working abroad, and when they convert the money here, it's like a lot of money. So they can buy these stuff. People who have big jobs and stuff like that. Jamaica's alright, Jamaica alright. Jamaica's alright, Jamaica alright. Jamaica alright.